How y'all doing? Redneck Programmer here. So I make TikTok videos with tech tips and tutorials, and I had some people ask me if I'd do a programming tutorial, so here we go. We're going to do a Java 14 programming tutorial. Now then, if you've already got Java 14 installed, if you've got, I'm using IntelliJ, if you've got all that installed, go ahead and click up here somewhere and skip to the second video. Now then, if not, we're going to walk through what you're going to need. Now we're going to start very basic, all right? We're going to start with the fundamentals of object-oriented programming. We're going to move up to more advanced topics later. But we want a good foundation. If you've never coded before, well, this is a perfect plan for you. If you got some programming experience, you're going to probably learn some stuff later. So let's get into what we need now. What you're going to need here is the Java 14 Standard Edition. You'll download the JDK or the Java Development Kit. You should have a JVM. If you've got Java installed on your computer, you probably already got the JVM. But if not, you'll need to install that. I'll put those words right here. All right. So once you have all that, you'll want to install what's called an IDE, an Integrated Development Environment. This is what you're going to actually code in. So here is the IDE that I'm using. It's going to be the Community Edition for IntelliJ. I like IntelliJ. I like the look. It's, you know, you can use, there's lots of them out there. You can use Eclipse, you can use IntelliJ. You can do this just directly into the console if you want. It's a little more difficult, but if you want to follow along with me, I'm going to be using IntelliJ. So what are we going to do? Once you get this installed, once you get Java installed, we'll be ready to start the program. So what are we going to actually be making? We're going to be making what's called a BAC calculator, blood alcohol content calculator. You have too many beers, you want to know what your blood alcohol is, you can put in a little bit of information into your program. It'll spit out approximately. Now then, disclaimer, all right? Don't say some redneck told you how to write a program if you get pulled over drinking and driving and think that the state police is going to ask you, hey, if he said that, then it's okay. No. It's going to say right here, the disclaimer, don't be stupid. Okay? That's all you need. What we're going to use is the Widmarks formula. There's lots of formulas for calculating the BAC, right? This is one we're going to use. It's fairly simple. And it's good for demonstrating what we want to use it for. So what you're going to have here is an equation. Now listen, I know math sucks. I know sometimes it's hard. People tell you you don't need it. Well, when you're writing a computer program, you're probably going to need it, okay? If you can add, subtract, multiply, and divide, you can do this, okay? Brush off your math skills. It's real easy. So what we're going to be doing is taking this formula right here, and we're going to turn this into a computer program that calculates all this for us. So once we get into the program, I'll explain what all this means. Go ahead and check it out in the next video. Bye, y'all.